channel. Today we will be making a card with a non-traditional sky. I used the Rescue Dog stamp set from Heffy Doodle, and I did color my image previously, but I'm going to show you how to make the background here. That's more what I wanted to focus on. There's 4 little images in the stamp set. 2 of them are the rescued dogs, and then one is this little dog dish with some food coming out of it, and the other is a ball. So here I stamped the dog dish all over the background, kind of making sure that the food wasn't going to fall out of the dish. I used the Versamark ink, stamped it all over, and then I'm using this Moxie green metallic embossing powder. I could have used clear and I probably would have got a similar effect, but I had this and I thought it would be kind of fun. So I did heat set this round of heat embossing with my heat gun because I wanted to fill in the background with the other little image, the ball image, and I didn't want to accidentally knock off any powder from the dog bowls. So I did use my powder bag again and made sure that there was no oils or anything on the cardstock, and I stamped that little ball image in between all them food dishes to kind of create my own pattern paper. I did use the same Moxie embossing powder here because I wanted this to kind of be a tone-on-tone background. So I did heat all that, and it is super cool. It's green, but it has a metallic finish to it. And then I got my cloud stencil out, and I did make a mistake and I started upside down, but I was using this, I think it's Shabby Shutters, and I just used this Honeybee Scene Builder cloud stencil to make clouds with the green on the green background. Something very different, super not traditional, kind of neat, I thought. Something different. I do have to figure out how to stencil the bottom of my page without everything moving. And you can see that bottom corner where I had originally screwed up and started the clouds upside down is kind of dark, so I did choose this rectangle and then I kind of shifted it over so that I wasn't going to have any of that in my panel. I'm reaching for that tape. I stick the tape to my light, my light that's on my desk, so that's what I was reaching for. And then here I die cut the word bubble that I'll be using from some white cardstock, and then I kept the outside. And I find that it's easier to line up dies like that in my MISTI if I have the outside still, because I can kind of lay it in there and hold everything down just a little bit easier. So there I stamped that with VersaFine Onyx Black ink, and there's my little dog that I had colored previously. And I was trying to figure out how to finish this off, and I picked this yellow kind of mustardy colored paper with the stars. I thought, again, non-traditional sky, yellow background with stars on it, green clouds. I don't know, it appealed to me and it looked really nice with the red. So here I was deciding to pull the dog down just a little bit farther and adhere his speech bubble. I believe it says thanks for coming to my rescue. And then I was going to adhere the dog down, and I realized I had not finished the edges, so I used this Tombow dark gray marker to run along the edges just so that there wasn't any white edge showing, and adhered this dog down to my cloud background flat with some art glitter glue. And then I popped this panel up with my foam tape from Amazon. This stuff is okay. It definitely needs to be cut with scissors. I still find it super sticky. And I'm going through it kind of fast, so I'm not sure. Well, I mean, it has to be more cost effective than the 3M stuff, but I don't know, we'll see how long it lasts. I did date the inside of the roll like I always do for my foam tape, so we'll see. I think I opened this roll of foam tape August 23rd, and it does come with two, so we'll see how long it lasts. And then I matted this again on some more of the same green cardstock that I used to create this sky, and which is different for me. Usually I use, you know, navy or black or dark brown, something dark. This was different. So that is my card. There's some still shots here at the end. I would love to hear what you think, and there will be another video on your screen if you'd like to continue watching. Thanks for stopping by.